right now I'm unboxing these iHome over-ear headphones with a volume control. So I got them off of Barnes & Noble's website for about 17 bucks. So, because mine are falling apart really bad, and I had a gift card from Christmas, and yeah, let's just cut this little thing right there. Because my aunt is awesome. Let's check that out. Just slide it out right here. There we go. So, just a little piece of the headphones sticking out. Which is cool, pretty cool looking, but it's a little odd. If you really think about it. Oh, let's just cut these. That's all I need to cut. I need to cut like down the middle. Let's figure it out together. Okay. That's it. Hopefully. Let's see. There we go. So here they are. As you can see, it says iHome. Pretty good looking, actually. I like it. Not the most comfortable feeling, but it's okay. Nice red. It's good. So let's keep on moving down. Some literature. Boring. Probably. There we go. Here's a volume controller. It's just a wheel. I was expecting it to be like the push buttons, but hopefully this works with iPod. See how it's made by iHome. They usually make iPod stuff, so it's a fairly long cable. I'd say like 36 inches maybe. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There you go. And I might have a review, I might not review these, but there you go. Here's the iHome over-ear headphones with a volume control.